Daniel Timothy Treacy. I'm here to get more hair because I know for a fact it worked. And over here, it's a little bit cheaper than the US, so there's a good reason to come here. I did shop around, mind you, with other companies that do it here. And you guys were by far the best. The professionalism was incredible. The communication was great. Really good experience. And now being here, God's honest truth, like this, I feel really good that I chose this place.
This nice hairline, much stronger. All right, so you will be able to have a nice back style haircut, any kind.
You guys' attention to detail, I think I said that earlier. It's great. It makes me feel really comfortable. Because I mean, it's detailed, what we're gonna do. So
we have zones here. As we move, lower your hip. As we move backwards, I have to thin out the density, okay? But basically, I'll try to follow the borders and focus on the main area of concerns.
it sounds like you know what you're doing. That's nice. I expect it to work and I expect it to look great. And not because it's my expectations, because I really do expect that you guys do good work here. So I'm looking forward to having a full head of hair. I've seen it work repeatedly with other people too. There's no reason to doubt it, and it's I think it's well worth the money. For surgical procedures, I mean, it's pretty low on the totem pole as far as what it costs. So yeah, I would definitely check it out at the very least. I want to look a little bit younger. And I want a full head of hair. I understand it's going to be seamless. And by saying I understand it, I believe that. You guys' professionalism's off the charts. I love it. So I'm not worried a bit. You know, just go in there and get it done. That's basically what I'm looking at today. It's all time, and that's about it. Woke up ready to go. I ate a small breakfast, got the right shirt on, no caffeine, did what I was told so it can go the best it can possibly go. So yeah, excited to get it done. Hey y'all, so pretty excited about having some new hair here, growing it out, seeing what happens in the next couple of months. Should be pretty cool. One thing though I wanted to say is probably come to Manila before, a week before, a couple days before, so you can tour around Manila. It's pretty cool. You don't want to be in the sunshine for too long, so it's smart to get out here and kind of experience it and then do your thing, heal up afterwards. But I'm excited to heal up. I'm basically healed up already. It's been only 5 days. I'm looking great. But yeah, good luck to you all. Go get it. This has been a great decision. Possibly one of the best ones I've ever made. Easy one. Take care. I'd say it's official. Starting to grow in. Got 3 PRP treatments to my hair and we're now in the growth phase.